My name is Donnie, and I find myself very privileged to be the owner of Forest Edge, a true nature lover's retreat. Forest Edge is blessed with some of the most spectacular hiking routes on the Garden Route. From the exclusive drip kelders at our doorstep to the mesmerizing circles in the forest hike, there are more than 19 hiking routes within a 30-kilometer radius. You can pick and choose between beach, boulders, forest or mountain. There's truly something for every avid adventurer. Can you believe this is on our doorstep? An amazing natural oasis called Drip Kelders. Only 12 people are allowed in here per day. There's some amazing trails in the area, ranging from fun, easygoing to some really challenging options. So what's in it for you? More relaxation, less driving around, less hassles, more time to reconnect with Mother Nature. At Forest Edge, we've combined nature adventure with nature accommodation. So that although you are in the middle of the Knysna Indigenous Forest, you are only minutes away from some of the most spectacular tourist destinations in the Garden Route, including places like Tsitsikamma, Plettenberg Bay, Nature's Valley. We are true experts in the hospitality game, and we will ensure that you feel at home at Forest Edge. All I want you to do now is to click here, and we will take care of the rest. Lots of fun in nature with us at Forest Edge. Come on.